Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to hide heart rate on Strava. So the Strava app is a mobile app, of course, and even you can use it on your websites, on on your computer or your laptop, and that helps you track your workouts, especially running and cycling. And you can also record your routes, distance, pace, and other stats by using GPS. You can see also your progress over time, set goals, and even compare your performance on different routes. Strava also lets you connect with friends, and even you can join challenges and be a part of a global fitness community, and that's why way you will be motivated. So, um, to hide the heart rate on Strava, I just want you to go into the app that you can get from your App Store, Play Store, or the store that your device supports. So once you got it, you need to be sure that you really have an account, and I advise you to get the subscription to get more features on that app. So right here, what I want to do is to go into you right here in the bottom right corner, tap on it, and after that I just want you to go into the gear icon on the top right corner, tap on it, and right here, as you can see, I just want you to scroll down until you can see the privacy control right here and the preferences section, tap on it. And alright, so right here, scroll down until you can see the hidden details right here and the additional controls, so tap on it. And after that, we can, as you can see right here, we can hide too many stuffs. Even you can hide start time, pace and speed, calories, etc. But in this video we will hide the heart rate right here just by toggle on this option. So this is how you can hide the heart rate on Strava. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.